Hey everybody, welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. This is Mac. Appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out our video. We got some things going on in the garden some more and trying to get prepared for planting and everything, and we're just gonna show y'all little things what we got going on in the garden. So we got a yard of dirt truck, and the ground is still a little soft. I didn't want to take a chance on pulling it around here and getting it stuck, so we've been ferrying it back and forth with the wagon on the lawnmower and putting it out. We're filling up these containers here and filling all these up, and then the rest are just going to pour out there, and then we'll get them out in the beds where they need to go. So we've just been driving back and forth and hauling dirt so we can get these beds ready to plant. Man, look at Patty. Whoo, look at that. Boy, that just makes my heart happy. Look at that woman working. Man, look at her working. Hey, what's that shirt say?
Hey, it says, go Ridge Life.
Hey, you did that just as good as Tim does.
Oh, I try.
Yes, all we got left. Not too much. No. And Flash is not helping at all. He's over here whining. You okay, buddy? Huh? You want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Really? Man. You telling them how bad it is? Aww. Patty's plants are looking good. She's going to be starting to plant them here in the next day. We're prepping the beds. And they are looking good. A lot of tomato plants, pepper plants, all kinds of good stuff. She had a little hummingbird. She forgot to close this up. She usually keeps it closed, and hummingbird got in there and she was freaking out. She couldn't get it out, so I went out there, and poor thing, he was exhausted. And man, I didn't have my camera or phone. I didn't have nothing on me, but he was back there, and he kept landing on that rope back there, and I just stuck my hand up there, and when he landed, I just kind of got his tail feathers, just gently just kind of got the back of him and got him in my hand and carried him out. And oh my goodness, he was like chirping like a little mouse. He was like, ee! But he was so cute. Let him go. I think he was tired from being in there, but I burned about, man, 2 or 3 hours yesterday getting this mess cleaned up. We're leaving the clover there because Patty uses it. We give the rabbits some, but man, I burnt a lot yesterday. Cleaned all this up through there, down through here. Still got some more to go over there, but I think since we've got these beds clean, we're fixing to start prepping them. She's already been putting some fertilizer in there and cleaning that up, so they're almost ready. We're gonna add some more rabbit manure and some dirt and get that cleaned up. But yeah, I've burnt a lot. Still got to tackle this and this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just burning. But she slowly but surely we're getting it. But man, the onions are looking great. The onions are looking good. Her garlic over here is looking awesome. Some of it's, I think, a little brown. When I was burning, I might have got a little bit of heat from it, but they're okay. They're still looking good. So then I got this mess over here. I got to clean this bed, which we're gonna put raspberries all up and down here. We've got enough of them. We're gonna trellis them. I'm gonna run a wire and we're gonna put them on a trellis. Then I got to clean this row out and that fence line so she can put, I don't know what she's putting there, but, and then that big pile of mess back there. So I have got a lot. So I've just been doing what I can and chipping away a little at a time. And the burn is not hard, but that big fire dragon or whatever it's called that I got, it's heavy. Man, when I got through yesterday after 3 hours of burning, my arms were like wet noodles because it's real heavy, but it is super powerful. And so I'll probably be burning some more tomorrow. And oh, I forgot, since the last time I think I did a little video, got me a haircut, man. Look at that. Shaved my beard, got my beard all trimmed up, got my hair cut. I couldn't take it no more. My hair's getting long, bothering my ears. It was hot. So I got an extreme makeover. Woo-hoo. So Patty's over here. We're fixing to put her plants up. Supposed to only get down to 58, but she's just afraid that some cats or something will get up there and knock them all over. So we're gonna put them back in the greenhouse. Got this all cleaned out. So she was working out here all day. Oh, and I did a video on her other green little seat that we got from Harbor Freight. She didn't really like it. So this was just like her other one that broke. So she ordered that one. So I've actually got the other one, which is great. It's perfect for me, and she loves that. So she's been using that. The wheels were kind of pretty loose on it, so I added a bunch of extra washers on the inside and the outside, so they're not as wobble. Kind of tightened them up some. So yep, she's loving that one. And I forgot where she got it. Where'd you get that, Patty?
Walmart.
Oh, she got it at Walmart.
Well, Walmart.com.
Walmart.com, she ordered it. So anyway, what are you doing? You look like a person on a mission.
Yep.
And already showed all the dirt over there that we got, so we're going to be putting that in the beds along with a bunch more rabbit poop and stuff we got. So I think she's over there getting some dirt, so I had better go for her right now and help her so we can get this done and get her flowers in. So anyway, I'm just kind of piecing together little sections of videos over the week or so, making one long one into it. So let me show you this real quick. Her what are you doing? What are you gonna do with that dirt?
I am going to plant a tomato plant in a pot.
All right, a tomato plant in a pot.
Yep, it's a special tomato plant.
Oh, and our peas are coming up pretty good.
We're not gonna have much.
Nah, a lot of them didn't come up. I think the frost got some, so we got a little bit growing in here. Not much, but a little bit. It's kind of hard to distinguish the weeds from the plants.
What?
So
Those are not weeds.
no, I know. I was talking about those big weeds.
Oh, the grass?
Yeah. Look at that. The grass is like waist high.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have got a lot of planting to do. All these trees and stuff. And my gardener was having a big sale, so ordered about 18 to 20 asparagus plants, a couple of blueberry plants, I think 10 blackberry plants, and I think that's all. So that should be coming here in another week or two, and I'm going to get all that planted. Plus we've got a bunch of like cherry trees. Do we have any plum trees? Just cherry. Yeah, we got cherry and plum, so I'm gonna be filling that orchard up we got over there with a whole lot of fruit going on. So we're excited about that. So, and right now I need to mow that orchard because it's, oh my goodness, it's the last thing I have not mowed yet. I've mowed everything else but that, and it's probably knee high. So I'm gonna have to mow that, get that down, and then lay out where I want to put all this stuff and get it set up. And I think I'm going to trellis the blackberries. I like that. If you hadn't seen that done, I know Cog Hill Farms, Jason, he's put out some videos on that. He trellises his blackberries, and he got that idea from the nursery down there near him called Petals from the Past. So I'm going to trellis these blackberries, and so hopefully they will do good and keep them a little neater and weed free. So a lot of going on. It's gonna be a whole lot going on this next week or two. We're gonna be busy. Ah, check it out. Check it out, people. Patty planted some pepper plants. We're doing it. Man, look at this. Look how clean it looks compared to a few days ago. I just keep, this has been like a week or two's worth of videoing, so just so you know. If you see me in different clothes, it's not a wardrobe change. It's just, it's a day or two later. But man, that looks good. Get that tilted up a little bit. She's back here working on her little arch harbor, whatever that, what is that called? Trellis, whatever. We got a hummingbird feeder up there. What'd you plant back here?
Different things.
You look like you've been hard at it.
Yeah. I got Tahitian melon squash, chamomile, basil, no, bunchen onions. I don't remember. What did I put over there?
You got what you planted?
I labeled it. Oh, bush beans and some bunching onions. And I got Malabar spinach coming up everywhere.
Wow.
And I got some marigolds.
Oh, and that's my honey. What's it? What is it? Honeyberry? Honeydewberry? Honeyberry?
Yeah.
Little blueberries? I don't know. Anyway, it's doing good.
Little bush. Yep.
And that's all of our dirt we got.
Yeah, I'm using.
Might have to get some more dirt.
Yep. Soul.
You look hot and sweaty.
Well, it's kind of hot in there. Yeah.
Oh, what you got in there?
That's a Japanese long cucumber. Got a nasturtium, more bush beans, and some marigolds. I'm companion planting and multi-planting this year.
Well, you're doing a good job. Okay, so what do you want me to till up? All the beds? Pretty much all the beds that are clean?
I'm double digging this, and I'm mostly done, so no.
You don't want me to like re-till it up a little finer?
That one up there.
Okay.
And all this in here.
All right.
Because I'm going to move that trellis over some.
All right.
And I need to put new dirt in here, but it's all... I dug up all the big weeds.
Okie doke. I burnt so much, I emptied my propane tank. I got to get some more propane.
Yep.
So...
and we got the ground cover in now, so we're going to...
Oh, yeah. A lot of work going on. We got, how many rows? 4, 5?
4 rows.
4 rows in, but another one on the way.
Yeah, well, that's the bigger one for...
Yeah, so we're fixing to do ground cover on all the rows here. We got ground cover and all the rows, so I got to clean them out. We got to rake them real good and clean them and lay it down. So, man, it's coming along. A lot of work, a lot of going on. Y'all need to hang around. Watch what's going on. Watch these 2 old people sweating. Work.
Yeah.
Don't take bets on who's gonna pass out first. Yep, that's my next big project. That crap out there. Woo, that's a lot.
Bad.
Crap, it wasn't going. Your helper ain't helping very much.
Nope, he's being a stinker.
Look at that. Yeah, he done got wrapped up around the board. That dog.
He's trying to dig holes.
I know he about tore some garlic up too.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh man, I got a little bit done with my tender. A couple more swipes and I'll be done. Tell you what, man, it does a good job. Whew, rough on the back. Rough on the back. Flash. What you digging over there? You're digging in the wrong spot. You're supposed to be helping Mama dig in her flower, in her garden.
No.
In her garden bed.
No.
Flash. What are you doing? What are you doing? What you digging? Yep, I feel the same way, buddy. Dig me a hole and I'll lay in it with you. All right, got that tilled up. We added some more good dirt to it and stirred it all up. This side here was real deep and some good rich dirt. This is more clay, so we kind of mixed it all up and then added some more good dirt. Got that ready. And then we're gonna relocate that cattle panel a little further in. And then Patty planted some more plants. I think she said these are large bell peppers. So she got that going. So, whew. It is coming along. You know, I think I've added enough clips of videos for the last couple of weeks that I think I'm going to end this one. So, hey, appreciate y'all watching, following us along in our journey, and trying to reclaim this garden that has overtaken, the weeds have overtaken. So, anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Hope you have a southern blessed day. Hit that like button too while you at it.